Hello, peeps. Everybody have some people have bare hair days. I'm having a bad hat day. So today's product review is going to be Hershey caramel filled chocolate candy with zero sugar. Let's go see. Oh, geez, Louise. Okay. Here's the good, the bad, and the ugly. A serving size. This package is two and a half serving sizes. 4 pieces is 120 calories. Total fats, 9 grams, which is 20% of your daily intake. Saturated fat is 6 grams, 30% of your daily intake. Trans, 0. Cholesterol, 5 milligrams, that's 2%. Sodium, 30 milligrams, which is 1%. Total carbs, 22, which is 8%. 22 carbs. So if you're on a low-carb diet, this is not for you. Low-carb diet is usually 50 grams of carbs or less. So dietary fiber, which is 2 grams, which is 7. No sugars, no additional sugars. Sugar, alcohol. Remember sugar, alcohol we talked about? This is 18 grams. Your maximum, I went and looked that up. The maximum intake of alcohol sugar should be between 10 to 15 grams. This is 18. Exceeds it by 3. Okay, so there's no vitamin D. There's 190 milligrams of calcium, which is 15% of your daily intake. Iron is 1.1 milligrams, which is 16, and potassium is 50 milligrams, which is 2%. That's a serving size of 4 of these little trinkets. So let's give it a shot and see what it tastes like. Yeah, tiny. Ooh. Okay. I can get out of now. This has been deep in the refrigerator freezing, so looks like the package is going to give me a little pop. There we go. We're gonna do a quick sniff test. Wow. Okay. I'm already ready to bite into this because I'm a caramel fanatic. I love caramel. And I can smell like caramel, chocolatey, heavenly taste that when he makes. Let's go do a quick taste test. Look at that. You can see the caramel in it. I definitely can taste it. Wow. Hershey. I have to say, me being a chocolate lover and a caramel lover, I don't see how anybody don't like chocolate. My son don't like chocolate. I don't see how that's even humanly possible. But I'm going to try another one just to make sure that I'm not delusional. Oh, good gosh. Oh, now, my diabetic brothers and sisters, you can eat this, but you got to be careful. Remember, 4 of these little teeny treats are 120 calories. Of total, 118 milligrams of alcohol sugar, which your max should be 15. So if you're going to eat some of these, I suggest don't eat 4. Eat 2. That'll give you 60 grams. That'll be 60 calories at 19 grams of alcohol sugar, which will put you within your daily intake of the alcohol sugar. And 60 grams is not that bad. 60 calories is not that bad. Compared to 120, significantly better. So, another treat that not only regular people can eat, but diabetics can also eat. But like I said, a lot of these snacks are not low-calorie snacks. They're full of calories, and you can easily overindulge. To give you an example, this whole package here is, let's see here, 300 calories. for this whole bag. And you think 300 calories? No big deal. It is a big deal when it's 300 calories out of the total calories that you need to eat per day. So like I said, most women are around 1,300 calories, which means you have 1,000 calories to make up for all the nutritional value that you need to eat that day. This is going to take away from that. If you eat 1,300 calories plus this, you're going to start to put on some extra weight. So you want to keep your calories within take. If 1,300 calories should keep you within your weight limit. Any more than that, that's why eating at McDonald's, eating at any fast food restaurant, eating at all those even McDonald's salads are absolutely full of fat and calories. You know, a salad should be under 100 calories. You can go get a McDonald's a salad and it's several hundred calories, and there's nothing in it. Limited to dressing, but then again, that goes back to my diabetic stuff and weight loss on how you can eat better and more Wisconsin. Anyway, back to the product review. I got completely sidetracked. But this is a good treat if you want to eat one a couple times a week, maybe. I wouldn't do much more than that. If you want to eat 4 a week, that's within reason. But eating a bag of these a day, not a one. If you want to keep that nice little figure, you know, we're in January now. It's 2024. Spring is right around the corner, and eating too many of these or just sugar in general, don't even fight that horse. Just go ahead and get ready for the spring and summer so you can get in that bikini and you can get in and you can look good in your shorts and stuff. And eat good, eat happy, but remember, the whole goal of this channel is not to completely restrict you from eating things you love. It's learning to eat in moderation. And when you eliminate sugar, the more you can eliminate, the better chances are you can keep your blood sugar within normal. Excessive blood sugar will cause all kind of problems in your life. It will lead to blindness, amputation, all the other nasty things that diabetes will bring into your life. Not worth it. You, me, and everybody else on this planet, we have loved ones that care about us, that want to see us go around. Don't let food control your life. Let you control your life and then enjoy the foods that you can. That is my advice for today. You guys take care. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.